Good morning. Now we are continuing with yesterday's question. I had asked about the part of Asia fill in, and I asked you to try the fill in for that particular thing. We'll start with the answers. I'll read the answer and check out whether you are able to find out. There may be some doubts when I'm giving the answer. Why not this? Read it again. You'll see. Great part of Arabia is a desert. A great part of Arabia is a desert. See, was is over. Still it is a desert. Has a desert? No. Had a desert? No. Is. Okay. That is what I am telling. This is more connected with your context. Understanding the context takes a lot of time. You have to read it again and again. You will find why not this is right, why not that is right. The confusion definitely rises because you find them most near. They are coming very near to the answers. But what is required is, yes, what is required is the most appropriate. We cannot have the nearest. You have to have appropriate, accurate when you are giving the answer. So what you have to do is read again and again. That's why I gave you as a work. Now you will not have land up in any confusion. A great part of Arabia is a desert. The sand is so hot that you the sand is so hot that you must not. That should be written as mustn't. See there, apostrophe N. You should not write NOT. MUSN apostrophe T. Okay, mustn't. What is must not? Could not, shouldn't? Models. You remember models? Yes. Here it is an integration. Whenever you are having a blank, it will be an integration of verbs, models, prepositions, articles, passive, okay, gerunds, everything will be mixed up. It will not be the same. Okay, you will not be given only one types. So you need to be having a good hand on all the patterns, all the things that are there in the grammar. Okay, so shouldn't, mustn't. What is the right answer? Mustn't. So you mustn't walk over D. What is D? See, it. You mustn't walk over it. IT. These. No, these how will? These means number ho gaye. It will become numbers, no? These. This means again, this means what? This element or item. That, no. So, it. The walk over it. Here it refers to that sand. With your bare feet in the daytime. During night you can dash it pleasant. What is it? Feel it. Touch it, express it, observe. No. They may come near the meaning, but they may not be the appropriate. You need to get the correct word. Yes. Correct word. That is feel. Okay. The feel is the feel it pleasant. Okay then. Shall we go to the next? Yes. Yes. See, yesterday a rich woman from West Bengal dashed to Delhi to buy jewelry. She was sitting outside dash jewelry shop. Suddenly, two young men came there. Dash snatched the train that she was dash. She called the police. Dash, the snatchers had run away. Look at the options given in the first one. A. Come, comes, came, coming. You find, don't get confused, be very when you are attempting to try to give the answers, you have to be need to be very patient. When grammar session comes, you are going to get full marks, provided you maintain your calmness, you maintain your that peace in your mind. Otherwise you are going to, before your eyes itself you will make the mistake. Okay, so the second option is A and D and some. The third options are and, or, but and how. Where, wore, wearing. So, because, but, only. Now, go to the passage, read it again and again. Only one has to be taken as an option, and that too the accurate option. Try. Yes, shall we go to the answer? Now I will read the question along with the answer. Okay, now you will understand when you read with your answers only, finally after writing the choices, you have to write the answer. Read it with the passage. Most of them think that once you have written finished, you have to go back to the passage and check with the options which you have chosen and try to find out whether it is correct. Like for example, see here, yesterday a rich woman from West Bengal came to Delhi. Like this, you have, after writing the answer, you have to check it out, which is never done. Okay, came to Delhi to buy jewelry. She was sitting outside a jewelry shop. Suddenly, two young boys came there, okay, and snatched the chain that she was wearing. Wearing, W-E-A-R-I-N-G, wearing. She called the police, but, see here, but. She called the police, but the snatchers had run away. Clear? Yes. By the time we complete the say 8 to 10 paragraphs, familiarity of using the appropriate comes. It's all a matter of practice and how patiently we attend to the answers. The options are definitely confusing. Most of the time we find the other option is better than this. But when we read the question along with the options given, we will be able to come to a conclusion that this is the right thing. Okay, we need to, after writing the option also, go to the passage and read with it. Is that clear? Now I'll go to the next question. Yes, put the numbers which you are using. Don't use the same number which I am. I have just chosen some of the best, usually most confusing type. I have selected like which is most confusing, so that you are given some practice about it. Dash agricultural scientists have dash to realize the chemical pesticide are not necessary. The tragedy is dash. This recognition has come much late. You have a full stop there, children. Pesticides have already dashed our lands. Pesticides dash ruined the land. Okay, so let us see some of the words options. Whenever the words few, any, many or few, very difficult to find it. Few, any, many, the few, little confusing. Other words at least it's little we can have a guess. But these words connected with few, little, many, a few, the few, any, it's little confusing. Okay, let us see how it comes. The second option is begin, beginning, has been beginning, begun and begins. We have already seen how present continuous will work, etc. That, this, these, those. Poisoned, poisoning, poisons, poison. Okay. Will, would, have, had. Please find out which will be the right answer. Shall we see the answers with the question? Yes. So, many, few agricultural, most of the children would have given few. But the answer starts with many agricultural scientists have begun to realize that chemical pesticides are not necessary. The tragedy is that this recognition has come much late. Pesticides are already poisoned. ED. Poisoned. Okay. Pesticides have ruined the land. Clear? See, so beautifully. The only thing is the confusion. First itself, if you have made the mistakes in few, many, any, gone. Many agriculture have, okay, begun. Okay? So now the answers are clear. Doesn't matter if it is wrong, made a mistake, we can correct it. Okay? Think and do. Is that clear? I'll stop here. Thank you, children.